What if I told you that I created all these images you are seeing on the screen right now with an AI, and it's very simple. Just within seconds, I have already got all these images you are seeing here. Stay with me. I'm going to be showing you how I created all these images using AI tools. Let's go. First of all, I'm going to go to my Chrome browser and search for Gemini AI. I'm going to be dropping the link at the video description so that you can easily use it. See it here, Gemini AI. There is also a shortcut to doing this. If you don't want to search for Gemini AI, just come to this place, click on this, then click on Gemini. I'm going to be creating our image. I'll click on tools, select Nano Banana, that's create image. Click on this plus sign, add image. That is, I want to add my own image so that I'll be able to create an image that looks like me. I'm going to be using this image. I want to create image that looks exactly like me. So now that I've created my image, I've added my image, I will paste my prompts. See what I wrote. Using this my image, I'm going to drop the image and the prompt at the comment section. Also, if you want me to make a video on how to generate prompts, let me know at the comment section. I'll make a different video on how to easily get your prompts for your images. I'm going to send this. Yeah, this is our image. Our image is ready, and this is the image you got. One good thing about Nano Banana is that you can edit your picture the way you want. I don't actually like this picture because I want the lady to be sitting down on the flower, this flower something. So I'm going to tell it to edit it to make the lady to be sitting down on it. So I've given it the prompts, make it to sit down on the flower. Let's see what it's gonna give us. This is beautiful. This is perfect. This is what I want. So this is how to generate images with Nano Banana. It is very simple. You don't need experience, you don't need to be tech savvy. If you want me to make another tutorial on how to generate prompts, let me know at the comment section. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech and AI tutorials. Thank you.